So today we are going to make an airplane. So first you need to fold top to the bottom part, and it will look like this. And then open it back up, and then you do like this. Here. And now we have to fold and make this. If it doesn't look like mine, we start the video. Now, all you need to do is fold it back, and this is here. So for instance, this would be so now open it back up to this part, and now fold the top to here, and it will look like that. Do the same thing on the other side. So there. An airplane will be finished. So now we need to do like this. And now we need to open it. So this is going to be a 3D airplane. This airplane is the most valuable airplane that we go Abraham through for 320 feet. So it looks like this now. Now you need to fold the plane. So with the other side, that's how it looks. The other side is like this. So you could do it like that. Just like this. And now, fold it back out and fold this part in. Like this. If you don't want it, you can fold it back out and then put it right here in the square. And now you have to open it back up and do this. Now, we do this on the other side too. This is called the old and cold. This is the winning airplane. This is how it looks. You fold the middle part in. The best, you just have to do like that, and on the other side, again, no, doesn't look like mine, this is not wrong, and now you just have to put it back in, and then do the same thing, and then do that. And like that too. So this is going to be the best airplane that was ever designed in the history of the world. So it flies 320 feet and 3 millimeters. So this will be the top record plane. So like this. Now you need to fold the plane and then put this part right here. So like this. Now you just need to fold here. And now this airplane will go like that to the bottom and put it in. So now this part is done. Now do it on the other side. be looking like that, and then if you could fold it back in, it will be like that. So in this side, it's gonna be like that, and then it turn around and look like this. For the wings I meant, you need to open it and then close it, and then fold one wing, and then the other wing. This plane actually is the best plane that he designed from the whole worker. But now, for the plane to be finished, we need to fold it in half, and then do like that, and then here, and then right here. So now, this is our plane. Hope you enjoyed Lucas's airplane mod, and see you in the next video for more planes. Bye!